Your Honor, you have seen the litany of counts, Your Honor. Even Jesus did not have these many counts. 24. And Your Honor, there's what you'll not be told, and at the point where you'll hear this matter, you'll be so shocked. Your Honor, this is a company called Diamond Property Merchant Limited that was selling to these individuals. Your Honor, he was one director. There were many other directors. One is deceased. He had taken leave of absence because he was a member of parliament during that period. But because one is deceased, he's being hounded here and being told you actually pocketed all this money. And Your Honor, the fact that you are seeing all these transactions, they are saying, and Plaza. One place. It was an office that is running. And that land is still available. It is only that the same persons have portioned that land, and I don't want to get into that. It's okay. Let me not get so deep into that. I agree. But Your Honor, the fact of the matter is that even the substance of the charge is important for you to make a determination.
Your Honor, I've had the application by my colleague. Your Honor, let it go on record that I've just been they've served the affidavit upon me upon making that particular application, which is not so what the experience I have with my colleague. I don't know what is happening today. And I hope the ruling by the senior court about the rights to fair hearing is not affecting their decisions. Nonetheless, Your Honor, I will not want to cross-examine based on the fact that the affidavit is just a 12-paragraph affidavit. Your Honor, that application does not meet any threshold, Your Honor. Does not meet any of the grounds that they are supposed to satisfy. And I think you've just heard my colleague. If there was any ground, he would have actually buttressed it. He has not. Your Honor, this affidavit just tells you that because the accused person has a case at the EACC, because the accused has another case in Kajiado, Your Honor, deny him bond. Your Honor, even if he had been convicted and served his term, Your Honor, that cannot be a compelling reason for you to deny anyone bond. The Constitution has not changed. Your Honor, you are told further that in these two matters, there are warrants which have been annexed. Your Honor, you will notice that, and this is the position, that the Kajiado matter, Your Honor, it's a matter of 2025. It's actually criminal case 873 of 2025. Your Honor, this is a matter that has never been brought to the attention of the accused person in terms of the fact that he is supposed to appear to take plea. It is not a matter that he has appeared and then declined to attend. In fact, it's very sad, and that's why the deponent of this affidavit is not an eye in these other ones. But to the extent of that, Your Honor, there is an existing constitutional petition. That is constitutional petition number E769 of 2025. Your Honor, this is a petition that challenges this particular intention to charge, and it's an ongoing matter, Your Honor. And they'd even indicated before Justice Mamuye that they shall not proceed. Your Honor, and that is not being disclosed, yet it is a matter that started last year. But you are now being told, based on that, he should be arrested. He should be denied bail. Your Honor, that's a matter that is, the Kajiado court is seized of that matter. We will deal with it there. They have all intentions of taking him there. Your Honor, that is not within your purview at this point. You can see how convoluted that matter is.
but they are not disclosing. When you are talking about the EACC matter, Your Honor, yes, there are warrants of arrest there are warrants that were issued, Your Honor, which I've seen. And Your Honor, this is a simple issue of misdiarization. Your Honor, the dates that were given are actually coming up next week on the 18th of June. Your Honor, this is a matter that started last year in October, November. It has had over 15 appearances. Your Honor, he has not failed to attend. In fact, the court there allowed him to even attend virtually. So that if someone just comes and throws this to the court might be hoodwinked to think this is just, a fugitive. Your Honor, this person was not even summoned by the IO and he refused to come. He was not. So that he has not been arrested at a border going outside Kenya. Your Honor, I do not wish to belabor so much this point, but the rights of an accused person, Your Honor, are sacrosanct, Your Honor. The right to bail and bond, Your Honor, this court knows better than myself. And that's why, if you look at the affidavit, it is an intention and a very sad one to curtail. And Your Honor, it is it's actually sad. Going to the crust of the matter, Your Honor, you have seen the litany of counts, Your Honor. Even Jesus did not have these many counts. 24. And Your Honor, what you'll not be told, and at the point where you'll hear this matter, you'll be so shocked. Your Honor, this is a company called Diamond Property Merchant Limited that was selling to these individuals. Your Honor, he was one director. There were many other directors. One is deceased. He had taken leave of absence because he was a member of parliament during that period. But because one is deceased, he's being hounded here and being told you actually pocketed all this money. And Your Honor, the fact that you are seeing all these transactions, they are saying, and Plaza. One place. It was an office that is running. And that land is still available. It is only that the same persons have cautioned that land, and I don't want to get into that. It's okay. Let me not get so deep into that. I agree. But Your Honor, the fact of the matter is that even the substance of the charge is important for you to make a determination. Your Honor, I do submit, as I beg the court, to grant lenient cash or bond option to this Kenyan. Your Honor, not to be persuaded heavily on this, because it's not money that went to his pocket. But grant him bond and cash options that he will attend. Your Honor, he has been attending. In fact, Your Honor, in the fullness of time, we'll make an application because the Kajiado matter is based on the same land. And this land is situated in Kajiado. So they want to charge him here, they are also charging him in Kajiado. On a land that is situated in Kajiado. That is abuse of prosecutorial power. But that is an application I will make at the right time and in the right forum. I beg Your Honor to grant him lenient cash and bail options. He's actually very sickly. He was arrested yesterday. He has medication that he needs to take. My apologies, I was trying to bring the documentation, but the wife is also in court. He will attend court. That one, you can take it. And Your Honor, you can give any other condition that you deem fit. No cash bail has been forfeited, no bond has been forfeited in any of his matters. I beg to rest there unless the court has any questions.
You know, to have the accused person denied bail and bond. You know, our reasons are well captured.